Hello, we're gonna prepare a rosemary scented lamb with spring onions and garlic. We're gonna use the roaster from Lékué. The ingredients are lamb, rosemary, olive oil, salt, pepper, little onions, and garlic. First of all, we're gonna preheat the oven at 180 degrees. We peel the onions. We take off the top and the bottom, and we peel the onion, taking a thin part of it. And then we peel the garlics. We open the steam roaster and we put inside the onions, the garlic, a little salt, a little bit of pepper, and some olive oil. We close and we can put it in the oven for 10 minutes. Garlic and onions are ready. We open the roaster and we add the lamb, salt, pepper, a little more oil, rosemary, and we close. And 20 more minutes in the oven. The lamb is ready. We only have to serve it in a plate. And we have the onions here, garlic, some garlics, and a little bit of fresh rosemary to decorate. Fast but healthy.